Hi everyone, so my name is Brianna and this is the landing page for the portfolio. So here's my name, I have my tabs here, the title and our class. Coming down here I have a little bit about me, a picture just to kind of correspond with that, an email to contact me at. Down here we have the links for project 1, 2, and 3, and then just a little quote here. If you click into the links, that'll take you to project 1, project 2, and project 3. These do contain the student learning outcomes. So as you can see, it's the same for each of those. Also the reflective memo, nothing there yet. And the resume here, which of course we'll add to later. So thank you all for reviewing, and I hope you enjoy.